Here we are, Dr. Deal, Dr. Kluska, between two ferns today, this episode. Facial rejuvenation, not really ferns, but it just in the moment felt like the right thing to do. So for you professionals out there, we talk about this all the time. Some of the things we can do, in fact, I am guilty of this myself. We're very busy and we want to do these facial rejuvenation things. I'm already ready to do my first big thing, so stay tuned for that one, y'all. But it's hard to find time, and the thought is, which is correct, that to really get good, powerful facial rejuvenation, you're gonna have to take off several weeks of downtime. That's not true anymore with the technology out there. It's not gimmicky like it used to be. It's not even mildly helpful. It's incredibly powerful now. We're gonna show you guys some photos of what we're able to do if you can give us a day, 2 days, 3, maybe up to 5, what we can actually accomplish for you. So Dr. Kluska here is our resident facial expert. We're gonna show you some photos of what you can expect with very little downtime.
So today the procedures have moved away from having 4 weeks of downtime, and people want soft, subtle changes that get them back to their reality quickly. And an example of that would be this patient who's had fat transferred to her face, and she's had a full face Accutite. This is a heating device that heats the skin and the connective tissue underneath in a dual plane approach and causes it to shrink wrap. This is an easy 1-day procedure. Do it on a Friday, back to work Monday. Nobody knows you've had anything done.
And you can clearly tell she just, this before, this after, this before, this after, she just looks younger. She just looks refreshed. She doesn't look tired like she did before. Nothing about these procedures looks fake. And that's one of the incredible things, not just minimal downtime and you look younger and not have that tired look, but there's never a fake or pulled look with these procedures.
The next patient, this is a 3-day downtime. She had fat transfer to the face. She had Morpheus to the neck. She also had Accutite or neck-tight to the neck with a little bit of liposuction and something that we have called the K-lift, which is a quick little mini facelift. She had this on a Thursday, back to work Monday.
And when we say mini facelift, guys, I want you to look here. Where do you see the scar? The point is, you don't. Okay, that's how we're talking mini facelift. She's right back at things, and she doesn't have a visible scar at all. So look at those incredible results there.
The next patient is a 5 to 7 day downtime patient.
Now, this is a little reversed.
This is reversed. The before's down here, the after's up here. She had her eyelids tucked. She had fat transfer to the face. She had multiple different treatments to the skin of the face, including Morpheus, Halo, and then Accutite, neck-tight to decrease the skin laxity throughout the entire face.
And one of the other things we're doing with all these patients, and we're using PRP or the vampire facelift that significantly increases the healing time. We're really giving you every bit of the technology all at one time. You read about all these things individually. We're doing them all at one time on people, getting them right back, making them look natural, very rejuvenated, short time periods. So pretty incredible.
And the last thing that everybody always asks is, how long does this take to do the procedure? Most of these procedures are done in under 2 hours in an operatory with a little bit of IV sedation and local anesthetic.
It's a procedure that's also good for men. We find the men being professionals, they don't want to have the downtime, not to mention they really don't want to go out and about and have a lot of downtime and swelling and bruising and explain what they've had done. Here you can see an example. Look at this gentleman here, just looks rejuvenated. We know him very well as a good friend at this point, and he just looks refreshed and naturally, and when you meet him, he just looks younger, happier. Another good example, male patient here that you can see. Let me just get this back where it is. But the technologies we're using really are the key with this. If you weren't really using the technologies, it's not like it's helpful to have these. You really can't get this result unless you have the technology. So I want to show you one more here, what I'm talking about. Here's another gentleman you can see where once again, he just looks rested. He looks like he almost just got back from the beach. Skin has a nice glow to it. Here, it's not just an age issue, it just kind of looks more tired, okay? And look how natural he looks. And this is the technology with the surgical technique that we're really talking about. In fact, this technology over the last 3 years or so is being known in the industry as the single most powerful lifting technology there is in the market, not to mention the Morpheus, all these other devices. We're very proud of this, but actually little old Southern Surgical Arts, Chattanooga, Tennessee, we were awarded for the #1 practice used for both the body as well as the face in North America. In fact, these two little cute pillows that we got right here, okay, they were part of the award that we received at the first ever user summit from this technology. In all the major cities, Chicago, New York, LA, Vegas. In fact, some of the largest symposiums we're holding right here in our office to teach doctors, both nationally and internationally. We have one coming up just in a few weeks. And there's even more technology we're going to bring you guys, some things that this company has been involved in, and we've got even some more exciting things to offer right here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So we get a lot of patients that come see us. We set them up in hotels, Alpha concierge service. It's really an honor to have patients all over the country, and many all the way out on the West Coast coming from California.
And Dr. Beal, don't forget, let them know that we are the first and only center of excellence for cosmetic surgery in the entire country.
Yeah, we got the awards for both First Center of Excellence in Plastic Surgery as well as body contouring in the U.S. So very, very honored. A lot of great things happening. Wanted to let you guys know this is something that you can do. Just taking a day or two off, powerful results. If you have more questions, like always, come see us.